Hello all my crafty cuties and welcome back. Well, I am super excited today because as you guys have seen in the title, Dcwv has released one of their new holiday pads, and this pad is pastel and features unicorns. So of course I knew I could not keep you guys waiting and had to share this with you right away. So if you guys want to see a flip through, don't forget to subscribe, make sure you like the video, and let's jump into this magical pastel holiday pad. Okay guys, here we go. So as I said in the intro, this is one of the new Dcwv holiday pads. This one is called Magical Holidays. It also comes with a bonus sticker sheet. This is actually only the second Dcwv pad I have ever purchased or owned, so I am super excited. The other one was actually a unicorn pad as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, are you ready? So this pad comes with a bonus sticker sheet, and not only that, it actually features a brand new treatment right here. So this is holographic foil, but it's like an iridescent foil, and it is almost translucent. It is so cool. Okay, get ready guys. So here we go. Here is page 1. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. Now, I was really eager to see what the unicorns were going to look like in this book, because if some of you remember, the unicorns in the other one were like kind of weird looking. So you know what? These ones aren't as bad. The face still a little but you know what? It's cute. It's wearing a Santa hat. It's got a wreath around its neck. I will take it. So here is one of the holographic treatments on this Holly Jolly page. And you guys, it just gets better. Like, the first page is definitely not the best, but look at that sparkle season. Enchantment, wonderful. Ooh, another thing I love about this pad is the sugar plum fairies. I love them. This pad has fairies, and they're not like regular woodland fairies. They are totally like Nutcracker ballet sugar plum fairies. I love this page. Honestly, I don't care what the unicorns look like. And everyone knows, like, my entire life is pastel, but when it comes to holidays, I do like traditional colors, so I love this page so much, you guys. Look at it. So here is what the back of this page looks like. Maybe I might end up flipping it around and showing you guys the other pages. So basically that one is tiny little unicorns and snowflakes on a pink background. Super cute. So you do get 2 of each pages, and then this one is just like a regular Christmassy holiday print, only it has pastels, which I love, the pink and the purple, but it's also got your Christmassy reds and greens. And then I love the back of this one, which is just pastel purple snowflakes. I know I will. You could actually match these two together to make a really nice card or whatever you happen to be creating. Now here is another one of the pages with the treatments, so you guys can already see it, okay? It is not regular holographic. It is iridescent, and it is almost translucent. It is really cool. For some reason, I was expecting this particular paper stack or paper pad to have glitter. I guess possibly because the last unicorn one had glitter, and I don't know, Sugar Plum Fairies Christmas just made me think more glitter than hollow. However, of course, hollow is so on trend and on point right now, and I just love how they made it just a little bit different from the regular hollow pads we've seen. Yeah, so there is one of the Sugar Plum Fairy pages. I'll turn the book around for you guys after. So these ones are just like kind of plain, some pastel snowflakes. That's still pretty. So here is one of my favorite pages in the book. So this is a mint and pink page. So of course you know already that I'm gonna love it. But then it's got all these little sugar plum fairies dancing around, waving their wands. They've got presents, and they are so super cute. So I love this paper. I will totally be doing a project with this paper. Called it. Just kidding. Oh yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm going to flip it over. This is another one of my favorites. Okay, let me see. I really want this video to be less than 15 minutes so I can get it out to you guys today. I'm actually filming this on October 10th, and I'm hoping you guys are going to be seeing it on October 10th. Here is another one. Beautiful. Again, normally I would complain about the unicorn's face, but like, it's a Christmas pad with unicorns. I don't care. I love it. Oh my goodness. I love it. My older subscribers will know, or I should say anyone who isn't a newer subscriber, I found the most epic wrapping paper last year. It has Santa riding unicorns, and it has glitter on it. So here is another of the treatment pages. So it's kind of plain. It is like a very super light pastel pink. I would not call it a blush though. It still has more of a pinky tinge than a peachy blushy tinge, but it is, I guess maybe you could call it blush. I don't know. It is so pretty. And then there's the treatments. If you guys can see that, it is just gorgeous. There's the back. And then this one just has like, maybe I'll move over so there's less of a shadow. This one just has the pastel snowflakes. People have been like waiting for this flip through, like you have no idea, including myself. So I'm so happy to bring it to you guys. So this one doesn't have treatment, but I really like it. You could cut out these sentiments and stick them on cards or packaging, or you could just make this into a card or an envelope. These would make great envelopes. All of these pages would actually make beautiful cards and envelopes. I love that. Look at that one. That one, I don't know, it doesn't really say Christmas to me. But I do really like it. So you've got that as well. And then here is another one with like the regular Christmas, traditional Christmas colors, but kind of mixed in with the pastel. And, oh, we are going to have to flip that over. There's another one with unicorns. This one's just kind of got like pastel Christmas trees, and it's kind of plain, but I actually like it. Good for layering. And there is another one of my favorites, but we are going to flip it over. Oh my goodness, I love this. So this is definitely one of my favorites of the book. I love this one so much. Again, it's another one of the ones with treatments, and it is the little ballerina sugar plum fairies, and they are all in powder blue, and they've got the enchanted iridescent wings. So pretty. Here is the back of that one. It kind of looks a bit like spring, but those actually are poinsettias. This one I love. So you guys know I'm obsessed with sprinkles and confetti on paper, only they've put some red and green in this one to make it Christmassy. There's the back of that one. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is another one of my favorites in the whole book. Look at this, you guys. Okay, I need another 2 books just for this paper alone. Oh my goodness, you guys. I adore this. There was the back of that one. I'm only going to do like a really quick flip through of the backs. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys. Why would they put such a beautiful one and such a beautiful one back to back? Like, why? There's so many other plainer ones in here. How can I choose? Okay, this is why I need like 3 pads of this. Or at least 2. Okay, now we are at the end. So the next page is the sticker sheet. And here are the stickers that you get. And I adore them. And they are with the iridescent treatments too. I don't know why they're calling it a holographic treatment. It is holographic, but it is also iridescent. It is totally beautiful. I know some people don't know the difference. Well, this is both. Oh my goodness. It is just gorgeous, you guys. just gorgeous. So you've got some unicorns, you've got Christmas trees, magical wishes, you've got your sugar plum fairies. I absolutely love it. Sparkly. Okay, now we are going to do a super, super quick flip through of the back pages. So like I said, another one of my favorites. Don't know why they had to, I'll see how close I can get for you guys. Don't know why they had to put this on the back of such a nice paper. That is quite an annoyance. So yeah, okay, so there's that one. Then we got that one. Then you've got this one. I'll try to give you a better view. So see, it's got like the kind of like a floral wreath with a poinsettia, or a leaf wreath, a wreath with a poinsettia. Then we've got this one, which I absolutely adore, which is like a magical unicorn page. You could even use this page for non-Christmassy unicorn projects. Super pretty. Then we've got this one. So anything with the traditional Christmas colors that has unicorns, I will go crazy over 100%. I love it. Oh my goodness. Like, this is the first cute Christmas pad 12 by 12 I have actually seen come out this year. Some of the ones that people are calling cute, I'm just like, seriously? How can you call that cute? Like, there's lots of words to describe things other than cute. Please do not call things cute when they are not cute. Okay, mini rant over. But yeah, like, you can call things pretty, you can call them beautiful, you can call them different. My mom used to get so mad when my nanny would call things different. Basically, that meant she didn't like it. But yeah, you can just say so many things. Vintage, shabby, you know, just don't call everything cute, please. I mean, unless it's everything I own, which actually is cute. But yeah, so here's this one. This one I actually really like. It doesn't have treatments, but see those little sparkles? I really like that. I don't remember looking at that one. Did we accidentally skip that? So there was that one. Here's this one right here. I'm just going to go fast now, you guys. And okay, here's one of my favorites. I love this. So let's see what they put this on the back of. I hope it's not another really, really cute one. Look, they're ornaments. They're little ornaments. Oh my goodness, I love it. And yeah. See, look, it's on the back of the Sugar Plum Fairy, the mint and pink. Like, why? Why? Why, people? I'm going to have to spend another $25 now. Ugh. So, I will link this pad for you guys. I will put the link. I purchased this on scrapbook.com. Here is another really pretty one. We get another pink with the Sugar Plum Fairies. And again, you guys, it's on the back of a unicorn page. Of course. I think we expected that by now, right? And then meanwhile, like, I didn't point it out because I was rambling and ranting, but some of the really plain ones have really plain ones on the back. So I find that quite annoying. Yeah, here's the little unicorn with the snowflake. I really like that one, actually. And yeah, of course. Of course. But yeah, you guys, all in all, I do like this pad. Honestly, I will be getting a second. So if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be getting a second. So that just tells you something right there. Okay, so that was our little look at this year's Dcwv Magical Premium Stack, a Magical Holiday Stack. I have to say I do really like it. I am somewhat annoyed at the fact that they did have to put, you know, cute pages on the back of other cute pages. However, I think we're all used used to that by now. And yeah, all in all, I'd have to say I would recommend this pad. Links for it will be in the description box below. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Please check out the description for info on our Halloween hop, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.